Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can design flyers using ChatGPT, and I'll be showing you a very unique method you can do that. So as you see a flyer out there for your business that looks like what you can use for your own brand and you want to replicate it, how can you get ChatGPT to do that for you? All right. So assuming I want to recreate this flyer for this fashion design school. The problem now is the prompt that I will give to ChatGPT that will enable me create this type of flyer. You see, so that's the only problem. So how can I get ChatGPT to create such flyer for me? All right. So what we do now is that I will just save this image. I'll right click and save this image. All right. So look here in ChatGPT. What I have to do now is I'll upload that image to ChatGPT. Upload the image to ChatGPT, and once it finish uploading, I won't say anything. You can tell it what you want, but I won't say anything. I'll just send the prompt, and it will analyze the image and give me feedback about this image. All right. So what I want to do now, I want to ask it to give me the prompt to create such flyer for my own brand. So I've already created a logo for a brand called Tessie Styles. All right. I want to tell it to give me the prompt for Tessie Style to create the same exact type of flyer for Tessie Style. So I will tell it I want to create a flyer like this for a brand called let me put it in quote Tessie Styles. Right. Wow. Um, tell it me the prompt. Give me a prompt. Create flyer. Now I want to add something to it. This ties color is blue. So if you look at this flyer, it's somehow red or orange, red, orange, and yellow. So I want to make it create Texas ties color brand, which is blue. So I'll tell it note that Texas ties brand color is blue. All right, so this is all I have to tell. And if there's any other information I need to tell ChatGPT, I will just tell it. But for now, let me send the prompt, and it will give me the prompt to create such flyer for Tessie brand. All right, so I will copy the prompt. I'll copy the prompt and copy it. I'll create another chart. I'll create another chart. And if I want to say create an image, select create an image, I can do that, but no problem. But let me select it to make it understand faster. So I'll paste that prompt. I'll paste that prompt. If you need to change any other thing like your business, the value there is different, or the social media handles, the location, you go ahead and change it. But for now, I'm just using this to demonstrate. I'm using it to demonstrate. So I'll just send the prompt, and ChatGPT will start creating a flyer for me with that same style like the one we saw previously. So we just wait for the output of ChatGPT to come up, then we analyze it. All right. So this is what ChatGPT created for us, which is very, very beautiful. And you can see it's even better than the other one, and it maintained the color that we asked it to maintain, which is blue color. So assuming there's something I want to change, maybe the logo, the price, or anything at all, I'll just tell ChatGPT to do that for me. So right now, I designed a logo for Tessie Styles. So I want to update it to that Tessie Styles logo. So what I'll do is that I'll just upload that logo for ChatGPT. So this is the logo here. I'll upload it and I'll tell it I have attached Tessie Styles logo. It the flyer use a logo, right? So I'll go ahead and send the prompt, and ChatGPT will redesign the image again for me and bring Tessie Styles logo on the flyer. So let's wait for it. All right. So now ChatGPT have uploaded the logo. You can see Tessie Styles since 2026. It has uploaded that logo and updated it to the flyer. So this is how you can redesign or replicate any flyer you see out there using ChatGPT for your own brand. All right, so to stay updated with the latest development in the AI world, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more updates.